Fraxses Oryx version 6.0.0 Release Notes. In keeping with Fraxses tradition, this release draws inspiration from the animal kingdom and is named after the powerful and elegant Oryx. Built to endure harsh conditions with balance and efficiency, the Oryx symbolizes the very essence of this upgrade, delivering stronger performance, smarter optimization, and a more streamlined platform experience. These release notes provide a summary of the key improvements in the Oryx release. Oryx brings a series of enhancements to the LEGO's front end. These improvements include a new pinned homepage, giving instant visibility into system activity through a centralized dashboard of key back-end events, and a complete UI/UX redesign. Significant enhancements make the object builder easier to use, with drag and drop, color coding, and better field management. The Discovery module has been fully redeveloped to deliver a faster, more streamlined, and more intelligent discovery experience. Enhanced file uploading capabilities have been introduced, improving how files are added, processed, and managed within the platform. Caching is now more powerful and configurable due to the integration of Apache Iceberg. The new data sync capability simplifies multi-source data extraction, consolidating results into a single optimized Parquet output. This release also introduces key-based licensing, allowing the application to be activated with a defined start and end date, laying the groundwork for secure access and deployment management. Pinned homepage. The pinned homepage features a system activity dashboard. Data object requests awaiting approval are now visible in the sidebar. The sidebar also highlights any entities or attributes that have been removed from the source and may impact existing data objects, helping users quickly identify items that require attention. Back-end events can be tracked at a glance using interactive pie charts. Selecting any slice displays detailed records, together with any associated errors. In-progress processes of data source validation and data object publication requests can be canceled from the homepage. View insights from the past 1, 7, or 30 days with a single filter selection. Navigation panels or explorers can be expanded or collapsed. Multiple tabs can be opened, using the Control+Click action, and all content is available within one central workspace. Cleaner icons, quick pop-up panels, and tab pinning make system navigation faster and more intuitive than ever. A new global search allows records to be found across Lagos and system administration, with results opening instantly for faster access. Preference management has been added to the account management function, enabling personalized settings such as grid views, tab colors, and display preferences, as well as the ability to exclude principal roles from views. Object Builder enhancements. The Object Builder has been significantly enhanced, and now delivers a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. A new color key makes it easy to understand object states and classifications, while objects and entities can now be deleted directly from the canvas via the Properties panel, simplifying the removal process. The Properties views can be switched between source and order, allowing entities and attributes to be organized more easily. This enables users to adjust both the order of joins and the field order as needed, with all changes automatically reflected in the query plan. Similar reordering capabilities are also available on the Fields tab. Data objects now display a cache indicator, and pushdown can be enabled or disabled directly on the canvas. Pushdown is no longer automatically disabled when validation fails. Errors are displayed clearly, helping with troubleshooting. The only time pushdown is automatically disabled is for cross-data source objects. Version switching has been enabled for data objects, allowing for different versions of objects to be accessed when needed. Oryx also allows for the same data object or entity to be used multiple times when building objects. Common right-click Explorer context menu actions are available as function icons on the canvas, making them quicker and easier to access when working with a data object. Data previews and queries, including cache queries, can now be viewed directly from the canvas. Fields can now toggle between a custom expression and a standard attribute, making configuration more flexible. Front-end functionality has been enhanced to support data object annotations. Annotations can be created, edited, and deleted directly in the interface, with visibility for both private and shared notes, improving collaboration and context. Data source discovery. The discovery module has been completely redeveloped to make metadata discovery faster, smarter, and much more streamlined. Entity, attribute, and relationship data is now retrieved in bulk before discovery starts, allowing the system to detect changes, track deletions, and maintain a full history. The Create Data Source modal has been improved with clearer headers and Spark capability indicators, while pushdown algebra is automatically enabled when supported. Any unmapped source data types are flagged up front, ensuring full compatibility. A new include/exclude entity grid clearly shows changed, deleted, or referenced entities, making selection easier than ever. The discovery process updates metadata with bulk merge operations and highlights removed items in red, giving a clear signal for any manual updates before they're automatically cleared. Table creation in Spark has also been optimized with a lazy create approach, where tables are only created once used or when validated. In addition, unused entities associated with a data source can now be removed directly from the Data Source Entities tab. These updates reduce discovery times from hours to minutes, provide stronger governance, and deliver a smoother, more intuitive experience for users. Data file uploads. The Oryx release introduces enhanced file uploading with two streamlined options. The first, Upload File, allows for files to be uploaded to a predefined storage location. The user then manually creates a data source using a data connector for that file type, pointing to the file for discovery. The second, Upload File and Create Data Source, automatically creates a DuckDB data source from the uploaded file, configures the integration, and makes the dataset immediately queryable. Furthermore, multiple datasets can now be uploaded to the same DuckDB data source, enabling faster query execution and more efficient data access. These improvements provide consistent file handling, faster onboarding of ad hoc datasets, and a standardized path from file upload to governed, query-ready data sources, saving time and simplifying the workflow. Caching. The caching process has been enhanced to support multiple caching types and grouped caching schedules. Iceberg's snapshot-based architecture enables incremental refreshes, time-based queries, and safe rollbacks, while retention policies and automatic metadata tracking improve transparency and efficiency. The caching functionality has been split into 3 separate processes, each managed through its section of the Caching tab. Cache Details includes a new period-based cache, allowing for rolling windows, like the last month of data, to be maintained for better storage and relevance. Caches can be partitioned by date, bucket, truncate, or identity, giving more control over data layout and query performance. High availability ensures existing caches remain accessible until new versions are ready. Caching schedules can now coordinate multiple caches in sequence by linking related objects to the same cache schedule. Caching groups can be optimized, ensuring data object caches are executed through the hierarchy from the bottom up. The cache history provides a full execution history, giving insight into performance and behavior over time. The cache creation process now stores the cache create statement. This means that when validating a cached object, the cache create statement is available to view from the data source query modal. These updates make caching faster, more scalable, and more reliable across the platform. Data sync for distributed objects. This release introduces a new data sync solution that provides a streamlined mechanism for extracting and consolidating data from multiple distributed sources into a single, queryable dataset. A single pushdown query is executed against configured non-discoverable data sources, with results merged into a consolidated Parquet file. The solution operates by linking discoverable and non-discoverable data sources through a distribution center, with executables installed on source machines to enable distributed query execution. Queries can be scheduled to automatically collect and merge results from multiple locations. Key benefits include simplified querying across multiple sources using a single query, improved resilience to source system downtime, pre-consolidated datasets that remove the need for unions across sources, continuous access to collected data during and after synchronization simplifies access and boosts efficiency. Current support is available for Microsoft SQL Server data sources. License management. This release introduces a key-based licensing model, allowing the application to be activated with a defined start and end date. This approach provides controlled access and simplifies deployment management. Future updates will build on this framework to support usage-based licensing. The Oryx release delivers major enhancements across the platform, including improvements to discovery, caching, data synchronization, the user interface, and license management. These updates provide a faster, more reliable, and modern foundation that meets current business needs and prepares the application for future growth and innovation. For a full overview, see the Oryx Release Notes on Confluence, available via the Fraxses customer support channel. Thank you for watching.